Hola mis amores, welcome back to OFRA's channel. Welcome back to OFRA's YouTube channel at that. How is everybody doing? Can I hear the crowd? Crickets, okay. Today we are here because I want to do my skincare with y'all. I know we are about to get so personal. We are about to literally become one, you know. So get your notepads out because I don't know much, but this is what's been working for me. I'm about to expose myself. Hold on. We're already on our first product, and it is the OFRA makeup remover spray autonomous, and it is the makeup remover. It is literally my tea. I like to shake it up because it's like a little YouTuber beauty guru moment. So I just like to spray a couple times right here, and are y'all ready? She has acne! It was all right! Just kidding, girl. You know we had a little face powder on for the dramatics. I really just wanted to show you guys that, girl, everybody has like their moment. Like, girl, I be looking cute on Instagram, but sometimes, you know, you really be going through it when you don't sleep, you know? It's like, yeah, she's hustling, but she's hustling at a price. I do break out, and I am a man, and I do have a little discoloration, but we're not gonna talk about it. We're not gonna talk about it. And this OFRA spray, it's with this, and then I also have a clip here of me taking off prosthetics, like the whole 9 yards with an OFRA wipe, and it was the same tea. And if you put it on a Q-tip, and it's really, really in there, you just go in a little uno, dos, and it takes everything out for you, you know? But it does leave my skin feeling cute. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some water on it and use my vitamin C. My vitamin C cleanser that I rave about on my Instagram. All the girls know about it. So I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, girls, so now that once we wash my face, now, you know, me quite todo, me quite los escombrios. I personally have been using this since high school. This has been my ride or die, and y'all know I stan Nikki, and back in the day, she used to put this on her Snapchat every other night, girl, and I was just like, oh, I need to try it. I need it in my life. Like, that's just the tea. Like, I need it in my life. Like, and it is the OFRA Peptide Brightening Mask. This is actually the first product that OFRA DM'd me back about, because I posted it on my story, you know, very cutesy, and they were like, yay. And I was like, yo, OFRA reply, hang it up for the girls. She's a beauty influencer. She's a beauty influencer. It's always worked for me. I've used it for about 4 years now, and I like to just put it right in the spots where I have any discoloration or I feel like there's a little bit of darkness. I tend to use it mainly right here on my little beard area because it be blue, like the back right now. Especially around here, if you guys can see, I have a lot of acne there because I've been traveling and I've only been wearing face masks. Like, girl, I do not take my face mask off. Like, I have to go and do stuff, but girl, I don't take my face mask off. So like, I literally have so much congestion around that area. Like, they fade so much quicker when I apply this, like every other Sunday. You know, I tend to do it just so that I can like give my skin a little reset for the week. I am looking cute. This is giving you very Picasso. We are giving you headphones, girl, headphones with a C, you know, a couple dots, girl. She's cute, she's fierce. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna kiki, I'm gonna rigor mortis, cause I be like this. I be just like that, girl, period. Okay, now that we are clean, now that we are put together, now that the dolls are wrapped around, we did our face mask, now we're ready for something a little soothing, you know, and it's my next girl, the Collagen Serum. Now, I really never had tried collagen, and Shaq, one of the girls at OFRA, she was like, you would love the Collagen Serum. And I was like, would I? And she was like, yeah. And really, it's the tea. The way that I like to use it, I feel like serums don't really like, if I just pat them in, I feel like nothing happens. So I just put them on a little cotton pad, and I just like, you know, just pump it. And I have used mine, as you can clearly see. And I just go over, and you can see it's kind of like a little jelly moment. Always wipe up, never down. That's what my mom used to tell me, and my abuela. So girl, you gotta do it. And I really aim for those parts where they need a little extra collagen. I've tried collagen drinks before, and girl, they don't taste good. So I really just prefer a little serum, girl, to get me going through the night. A little one too, and it does make my skin feel supple. And I really feel like this underneath foundation has also changed my foundation game, just because I do pair it underneath like my Peptide foundation, and it kind of sits really pretty. And I've tried it also with other foundation and like underneath my eyes, because as you can clearly see, Chanel's like custom drapes. So I really always need some type of hydrating in the mornings, and if this wasn't there, what would I be doing? That's like the most extensive thing that I'll do to my skincare routine, because we are ready to seal the deal with my girl, the doll. Now, I first tried the Talia Mar Vitamin C Moisturizer, and that was sickening. It was very light, but this one by OFRA, the Vitamin C, like, oh, not this one, girl. Oh my God. They all have the same packaging, I'm sorry. Look at that. It's so cute. Like, she do be looking cute on your vanity. I have used mine, like, up, girl. Like, this traveled with me. This went with me. It was good in hot climate. It was good in cold climate. Like, I really didn't mind her, and it just smelled like an orange blossom, because you know how some moisturizers you just kind of like feel wet, like, and then your skin dries. No, this one you kind of feel like even in your hands as you're spreading it. It's the tea, because I obviously have so many dark scars that the vitamin C really comes through, and as you can see, like, it literally makes my skin glow. Put some vitamin C on your skin and you will be good. Right on the lips, because my lips do tend to get dry sometimes. They do tend to get dry. And honestly, if I do have any acne, which I don't really have any active pimples right now, but I'm gonna mention her because I'm always using her too. If I have any inflammation, this is the Blemish Treatment Mask. This is like the tea. Like, if you have a pimple, put this 2 hours before you do your makeup and you will see that pimple eradicate. Eradicate, girl, like full tomb. Full funeral, girl, because she is done. This is literally, it smell, oh my God, the smell of it, girl. It smell, girl, smell it. I'm gonna just smell for you. You smell that, girl? It smells minty. I'm gonna describe the smell. Little ASMR too much moment, but it literally smells like what it looks like. Like, it's almost like its own texture. I don't know, it's almost its own texture. I freaking like it. And I have put a lot of my friends onto this so they can vouch for it. It's truly the tea. But these are really just my key core favorite OFRA products. Like, keep me stocked with my OFRA and I'll be good. As always, if you have scars, if you have acne, if you have eczema, like, if you have anything that you feel like inhibits you, I am there with you, because I was that. Like, I literally had, I mean, I still do, but you know what can we do? We still have acne. Like, oops, I'm a human, you know, like, I'm literally a human, and it's okay. So I will be leaving out with that. These are highly recommended. I highly suggest that you check them out, girl. Like, check them out and give them a little, you know, a little love, you know. But thank you so much to OFRA for always having me. Thank you for listening to my suggestions. Like, I love you guys so much. You still have to wear your mask. And that's all I'm gonna say. Good night. No, but thank you guys so much. Bye, mis amores.